In the Karen Reed murder trial, physics and the law played equally important roles in today's testimony. The defense brought in its own crash reconstruction expert, and that expert says that John O'Keefe's injuries were not from a car. But as WBZ's Tammy Mutasa reports, prosecutors were quick to point out discrepancies.
I believe so.
Karen Reed leaving court confident after testimony from the ARCCA reconstruction experts who the prosecution has tried to discredit.
I don't even know where to begin. The math is wrong. The numbers changed.
So this is an exemplar set of taillights.
Dr. Daniel Wolfe and Andrew Rensselaer investigated John O'Keefe's death for a federal probe into how the case was handled. The experts recreated several scenarios of the crash with speed and impact testing. They say the damage to Reed's Lexus taillight and John O'Keefe's injuries to his head and arm are not consistent with him being hit by a car, contrary to the prosecution's theory. They also say punctures in the clothing were not consistent with the crash.
From a damage perspective, it was inconsistent.
Inconsistent.
Correct, inconsistent.
Testimony from the ARCCA experts has been contentious. Earlier this year, it was revealed that ARCCA sent a bill to the defense for nearly $24,000, even though in the first trial, they presented as experts who weren't hired by the defense. Today, the defense making it a point to clarify the issue.
Have you been paid any additional sums by the defense specifically for your undertaking that you're testifying about today?
Yes.
About how much have you been paid?
I think when I spoke to accounting, I think they indicated it was around $50,000.
The prosecution has taken issue with how the defense has communicated with ARCCA. During cross-examination, they grilled Wolfe about 100 text messages that were deleted with the defense.
Is there any reason why you deleted all of your text?
Well, it's something that I routinely do. Once it had concluded, there was no reason for me to preserve those.
The prosecution also challenging ARCCA's methodology, questioning the weight of the crash test dummy arm, which wasn't the actual weight of John O'Keefe's arm.
When we're talking about something that's 6,000 pounds, striking something that's, quite frankly, whether it's 9.4 or it's 11 something, you're not going to get a difference in the damage.
Dr. Wolfe will be back for redirect examination on Monday. The judge also saying the case is nearing the end and asked jurors if next Thursday could be a full day instead of a half day. In Dedham, Tammy Mutasa, WBZ News.
All right, Tammy.